Hi, my name is Tyler from Science for Kids, and today we'll be doing an experiment called Buzzer Bee. So for this experiment, we're going to need a piece of cardstock paper with a bee on it, some string, 2 eraser toppers, a rubber band, a popsicle stick, a stapler or tape, and a pair of scissors. So the first step is that we're going to cut out the bee shape on the solid land. Next, we're going to staple the paper onto the popsicle stick in 2 places, or you can tape it as well. Then, we're going to put an eraser topper on each end of the popsicle stick. Then, we're going to tie one strong knot around one end of the popsicle stick. But make sure not to have the string touch the eraser topper, and it should only be touching the popsicle stick. Finally, we're going to stretch the rubber band around each side of the eraser toppers so that it goes directly across the craft. So to test this, we're going to hold the bee by the string and spin it in a circle above our heads. Swinging your buzzer bee around allows the flowing air to make the rubber band vibrate. Sound is a type of energy made by vibrations, and these vibrations, coupled with the rubber band hitting the index card, is what allows the buzzer bee to create the sound. And that's all for today's experiment. Thank you for watching.